Oh, 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 oh. Oh, hell no. I started this video without water, and that became a problem when I got here.
Welcome to my palace, champagne in your chalice. Rolling around the world.
Hello everyone, what is going on? My name is the Newbie Warrior, and welcome back to my K-pop reaction channel. And today, we have finally aespa. I'm sorry, I'm almost a full day late on this one. I got partially confused by the time because normally Japanese stuff comes out at a very different time, so I was ready when I thought this was coming out, and then it came out at 6 p.m. KST, and then a bunch of other stuff was coming out at the same time, and then I had kind of a bad day and got chronic fatigued and just stayed in my bed. And so we're here now. Sorry, apologies. Day late. I'm very excited. A couple of things I do want to note. If this video is completely and entirely ridiculously edited, SM is on there blocking people like it's 2016 all over again type beat. I don't know why they've decided aespa is the tool which they will use to make sure nobody can react to anything anymore. But for whatever reason, last album with the track videos and this are apparently really bad. Well, I know last album with the track videos was really bad. This is apparently just as bad, which sucks. It sucks, man. But it is what it is. So if this video is completely over-edited, filtered, cuts, whatever, unedited versions on the Patreon under the $1 tier. So if you basically show up to the Patreon and subscribe at any tier, you will get access to all my uncut, unblocked version of everything that gets blocked on YouTube. Which also is a nice segue to, look, I hate asking for money. I hate doing this. You notice I've never regularly made a big deal out of, you know, like plugging the Patreon every video. And, but my PC literally melted, as in the motherboard part of it melted. So I'm currently making videos on a Nintendo Switch. So I'm running Windows 11 on a gaming handheld, and that's my PC. And it's not supposed to do this, and it's not designed to do this, and it reminds me every day while I'm editing and recording that it's not supposed to do this. It's working for now, but there's a good chance that it decides, hey, I'm done with this. This isn't what I'm designed for. And then I just can't make videos for a long time. I don't know when I would be back, obviously as soon as possible, but I have no PC. I have a gaming handheld that is doing its best. So if you can contribute anything at all, maybe you do want to watch my uncut reactions to anything, the Patreon's in the description below. If you don't like Patreon for whatever reason, but you still want to support, there's a Streamlabs donation link. It's just called donations in the description. Any support you can give is much appreciated. Like I said, I just want to keep doing this. I've had the same PC since I started this channel, and it literally melted. And now I have no PC. So yeah, I would appreciate anything you can give. Of course, if you can't, all I ask is leave a like if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment. All that stuff helps. I love doing this. I want to do it forever. And I'm just, the reason I'm plugging is because I'm genuinely afraid that I would have to stop doing this for a while, and that would suck. So, okay, plug over. But yeah, you may need to go over there to watch the video anyway, because this is apparently getting blocked in every country. So, here we go. aespa Hot Mess, from the artist that brought you Too Hot For You and Spicy, comes Hot Mess. The teaser photos look insane. That's obviously all I've seen. Sounds filthy. Oh lord, not catning. Not catning. Nope, nope, nope. Oh no. Instrumental going insane, by the way. I'm restarting this. Really cool, funky, yeah. Sounds funky, sounds filthy. Yeah. True. True. She's reminding us, yeah, we know you're a troublemaker. We know, we know, we've been new. Okay. Oof. Wow, Ningning is so freaking pretty. She's so freaking pretty. She's so pretty. Okay. Big build. Very long. Hello? Ningning playing with the pigtail for some reason. So that was the hook. This hot mess with the burner. That was the hook. That was the hook. I love the color palette here, obviously. Great neon pink screens. Crazy. Okay. Ooh. Winter. Oh, winter. Oh, winter. Again, winter's hot for some reason. Oh, winter. Winter is supposed to be cold. Are you guys tired of that joke? You probably are, but listen. I'm not a comedian. The pleb? Nah. Nah. Oh no. Ningning. Why? We gave her fire again? Is Ningning is Ningning a pyromaniac? Is she a pyromaniac? I'm getting, why is Ningning pyro? The growing aespa lore. Oh lord. Oof. Holy. Oh wow. Oh wow. Nah, that look back is wild. Winter looks incredible. Incredible. As an abs appreciator, a midriff maniac. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, the walk. Love how cheesy this is. It's great. Kind of doubling. Help. Kind of doubling down on the Sentai stuff. With like the physical props, like the really cheesy looking arm cannon and all that stuff. That feel winter is crazy. Oh, winter. Oh, winter abs. I'm trying to speak. But yeah, obviously they had Licorice had a crazy Power Rangers. I say Power. Everyone said Power Rangers. It's Sentai, but specific. You know, Power Rangers is the one we know here in the West. Most people. But that kind of just like very obviously plasticky, but you're supposed to take it seriously. Prop design for weapons and cool sci-fi stuff is obviously very Sentai, so it's fun to see a through line of multiple MVs of them doing Sentai. Oh yeah, that's right. So come on, cute. Wow. Really dig this bass line. Would you stop winking at me and put your tongue back in your mouth, please? The return of Cat Girl Ning Ning. Oh. Wow. I've been rocket punched, by the way. Crazy. Crazy. This Ning shot. Wow. 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 Oh, okay. 1 SM bridge, 2 is at a waist chain. Oh, I like the chord change. Crossfall. Oh no. Oh, you are in fact hot. Oh, you are in fact hot. Oh, you actually make it hot. Yeah, Karina exists. Make it hot happens. It is what it is. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, hell nah. Dude, oh, dude. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Listen, I said any editing in this video is due to, I said any editing in this video is due to Patreon. I mean, due to SM blocking the YouTube video. But I lied because I started this video without water. I started this video without water, and that became a problem when I got here. So, that's what this pause is for. It's not an editing thing. This cut's also in the Patreon. You guys might think I'm playing it up, but no. I am in fact a hot mess. I mean, I'm physically hot, but not that. Anyway, Karina's hot, and it made me hot, and I needed water. So, that's why there's a cut there. Anyway. Okay. I'm gonna compose myself. No, I'm not gonna compose myself. Do you see Karina? Do you see her? Rewinding. Rewinding. Oh. Oh, Lord! Oh, dude, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, dude. Why are you twerking on your hand? Why? Why? Oh, no, dude. Oh, okay. Reasonable. I think I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, guys. Why is she like this? Why? You are actually one of the hottest people to ever exist. I hope you know. I'm sure she knows. No, she definitely knows. That smile, she knows. Oh my gosh, dude. Good luck finding a finer specimen in the history of humanity. Good Lord. Wow. Gorgeous winter vocals. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Woo, those vocals. Guys. Can anybody else see this Yu Jimin, this Karina? Guys, why? Hello? Did other people lose their minds? Like, surely, I bet you I have the most normal and reasoned reaction. I bet you I kept my cool more than other people. You know what? Everyone lost their mind, like 100%. You know what? I haven't seen that many people talking about this today, and I bet you it's because they all died. I bet you it's because they all died. Wow. Wow. Good lord. Karina's so fucking hot, dude. She's so fucking hot. Oh my gosh! True! Yeah, we know! Okay, we go full animated. Oh, nope, never mind, she's back. Oh no, I thought I was safe from Karina for a second. Oh no. Look, as I said when these teaser photos first dropped, aespa are hot and I'm the mess. If anybody's confused about why it's called this, it's me. I'm actually part of the name. I'm the mess. They're hot. Look, guys. Guys. Did anybody else see Karina? Like, what even is this video, by the way? Like, hello? Where's the not safe for any humans label? I need a, this video will cause, warning, this video will cause violence and death, a collapse of the human brain. Good lord! Good lord! Holy fucking shit, dude. What the bruh. Oh, this woman. Thank you so much for watching. If anyone wants, okay, thoughts on the song. I like that it's crazy. I like that it's wild. I really like the sassy kind of repeated vocals. I'm gonna shut my eyes. I can't look at this Karina and think. I like the hot mess, hot mess. As a mess, I really identify with these lyrics. I found a real connection with the word mess. As you can see, when I see Karina, I am in fact a mess. Oh, song. I was trying to talk about the song again. I think the song's a fun listen. It's crazy. It's wild. It's got pretty interesting production elements. Good pacing. Is it instantly my favorite aespa song ever? No. But do I like it and think it's fun? There's some crazy vocals. Yes, I like it. But to be honest, I am in brain malfunctioning. Hot Karina is hot. This is maybe the sexiest human being alive. That's where I'm at. So, they all look incredible. Catning, winter is wintering. Why is winter so hot? Giselle is in fact too hot for me. But Karina. Yup, Karina. Thank you so much for watching. My name's the Newbie Warrior. I love aespa. I'm sorry I'm late. Listen, if you're also a mess, maybe click like. If anybody's feeling particularly generous, Patreon link in the description below. I will be at some point reacting to the aespa concert that just happened. I already, of course, have a reaction to the first Sync Line concert, Dream Sync Line, over on the Patreon under the $4 tier. But if anyone wants more exclusive content, just wants to support, there's donation link, there's Patreon link. Again, I hate the plugging, I hate it, but I am worried that I will not be able to do this anymore. So, in conclusion, Karina is incredibly, impossibly, stupidly, ridiculously, indescribably violently, unfairly sexy. And I love aespa. So thank you so much for watching. My name's the Newbie Warrior. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. And please remember to stay newbie. Thank you so much to all of my wonderful patrons, with special appreciation going to Daniel Rains, Muse Ribbons, Lucky7 Jen, Atsushi Ray H, Mushroomy, Bob, Dominic, and Viz.